Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, you will learn how to set or how to download install live wallpaper for your Windows 11 PC or laptop. In this video we will learn this guys. So as you can see guys, in my screen I have set already one live wallpaper for my PC. So if you want to also set this, so you need to download and install one application from the Microsoft Store. Just open the Microsoft Store on your PC and search the live wallpaper, and here you can get this app. So just you need to download and install this app on your PC. Okay, after this guys, just open it, and here guys you can get lots of live wallpaper for your PC. As you can see guys, if you want to set any of this wallpaper, live wallpaper for your PC, just here you can get three dots option. Just click on it. Here you can get the option set a wallpaper. If you want to preview it before setting, you can also do it here. As you can see guys, so here guys, these are the some settings to customize the live wallpaper. As you can see guys, so with this help of app guys, you can easily able to set the live wallpaper for your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.